So when you study Chinese from me, it's very easy. Okay, so now explain the new word. Let's find the connection, help you to remember the new word. So far in this class, we learn time words. We learn Monday to Sunday. 星期一、星期二、星期三、星期天, right? Okay, today we learn more. Okay, so how to say today? 今天 tomorrow 明天 Okay, so next time no need to tell me, okay? You just go.
Okay, bye-bye.
And 今年 so then this is for today, tomorrow. 今天明天 Yeah, many of you know already actually 今天明天 And then for the year, the same. So for the year we say 今年明年 Okay. What's 年?
Yeah.
Thank you. Year. What's 天? Sky, right? Sky, day. So 明年 Okay. 今天 today. 明天 tomorrow. And then the same as the year. This year 今年 Next year 明年 You see use the same 明今 天 we learn already means sky, means day. 年 means year. That's why the dialogue say 他今年4岁 means this year 4 years old. Yeah. So you can, people if ask you say 你多大岁 You can say 我今年20岁 or 今年我20岁 Okay, so today we learn these two. 4. 今天今年明天明年 Yes. Yesterday because not follow this. Wait a little bit. Wait a little. Yes. Okay, so this is for the year. And 年 Yes 是 For example, now we are in 2023. Very soon will be 2024. How to say year 2023? How to say? So, for example, year, this one. So Chinese, how to say? Okay, so when Chinese way, how to say? We just read the single number, very easy. So how to say? Thank you. 2023 Yes. This is how we Chinese say. You just read the number. Don't say 23 or 2000. So complicated. So that's easy. 2023年 Yes. But number first. 2023年 Then how to say 2024 year? Yes. Only read the number. Okay. Very easy. 2023年 2024年 Yes. Another one, daughter. Before we learn 女孩子 right? Yes. So the difference that daughter is 女儿 is the real name for daughter. before we learn 孩子 like for general kids, right? Children. So if you want to say I have a daughter, I have a son. So daughter is this one. 女儿 specific is daughter 女儿 yes 女孩子 can means your daughter because 女孩子 is general means a girl maybe it's not your daughter can call any girl say 女孩子 but if my daughter then say 女儿 yes so if we learn 女儿 then we can learn son because have connection 女儿 continue 儿子 yes the son so this one 是 daughter and this one yeah so now we all learn pinyin when this book finish we will learn character so the character we will also use the connection so 女儿儿子儿子是 son yes so now when you introduce you can specific say 我有一个女儿一个儿子 right yes okay so this is lesson 5 finished right any question now you can ask me question about lesson 5 if you still have question fine 有没有问题有问题 understand yes so actually lesson 5 what we learn start from 几多少 how many how much so for any situation you want to ask how many how much you use this one yes so less number big number and then for age the same 几岁多大岁 or 多少岁then for the time today we learn more time word 今天明天今年明年 yes then for family 女儿儿子 yeah see we start with woman 女 because female so 女 start first 女儿 continue 儿子 yes so it's sad yeah 儿子孩子 right yes children yeah and then 很高兴认识你 so we learn to express your feeling 高兴 and then 认识 to know someone yes okay so now let's take a break now it's 10